very good evening for another session with Leverage TV. I'm Priyank Jain, Vice President Leverage Edu. And in today's session, I'm going to talk about some of the latest trending courses in UK. UK for the past couple of years has been one of the very hottest destinations for study abroad. A lot of students, be it undergraduate level or at a postgraduate level, have started considering UK as the destination of their choice, not just because of the quality of education system there or the relevance of courses there, but also because lately UK has opened up its as a policy decision. UK has started granting 2 years of post-study work visa to all the students that are going to go there and have a 1 year of complete education. So UK has become one of the very hottest destination. In the last couple of years, we've seen a huge uptick in terms of students' interest, in terms of variety of the courses. And today we are going to talk about a few of these courses uh, which are making students flock towards UK. So most of the reasons for students choosing these courses are not just because of the relevance of these courses in UK for job opportunities or post-work opportunity, but also because in terms of practicality or the application-oriented course curriculums, the distinguished faculty, and also because a lot of these courses will have relevance over the years, if I talk about the next 8 to 10 years. So we've outlined few courses that makes UK really popular and that students are choosing when they are kind of choosing UK as a study destination. One of the most popular courses in UK right now is nursing. So this is one of the most demanding courses in UK, and it is also in the top of the UK shortage occupation list. So what is? I'll just briefly tell you what shortage occupation list is. UK on an every year basis comes up with this list where they demand or the demand for the workforce is really high, and they put these few of the disciplines in the shortage occupation list where it's not just it one of the not just has one of the highest demand, but also it gets a little easier to kind of get a job when you do this degree. So there is both the demand and supply side aspects to it, but nursing is one of the most popular courses. Post pandemic, people have also realized that this course enables to kind of save a lot of lives and contribute to society in a lot of positive ways. The obvious industries to find jobs after kind of doing nursery is public healthcare, hospitals, or hospitable industries are the ones where you can get a good paying job in UK. So what are some of the universities which offer these courses? And I'm going to talk about the universities which are open in January 2022 as well, because that is going to be the next big intake for UK now that we have almost in the close of fall intake. So Coventry University is one of the universities which is definitely hot for doing your courses in nursing. Then apart from that, there are a lot of courses in Brunel universities as well, which can kind of get you a good nursing course. Moving from nursing, uh, uh, business management is another course which is very hot right now in UK. So business management in any way is throughout the year is one of the most demanding courses if it come when it comes to Indian students and international students. It focuses on planning, running, and operations of the entire organization, people management, and one where you'd learn both theory and practical in tandem. So students do get to learn a lot about business functions, including finance, marketing, strategy, operations, so far and so forth. So a lot of these courses do have a lot of these courses or programs do offer placements opportunities as well, with one of the globally or one of the highly recognized companies across globe or across UK. So again, it's the course offers a very good chance for you to kind of have a good placement opportunities and jobs after doing your postgraduate. So few of the well-known institutes where you can kind of explore to do your management programs is Queen Mary University of London. Again, it's open in January 2022. Aston Business School, which is again open in January 2022. Exeter, University of Exeter is again has highly acclaimed business management program, and University of Brunel, situated in London, is again one of the universities which sees a lot of high demand for business management programs. Moving from business management, the third course, which is very high trending, is accounting and finance. So accounting and finance is also a function of the business management, but if someone really wants to kind of carve out a niche for himself, really good with numbers, and only the finance bit kind of excites them, they look for a specialization in one of these courses, which is accounting and finance. So the idea is to learn a lot about uh, uh, how to manage or financial management of the business, economics, and how to kind of manage your books. So students will learn how to prepare and interpret financial information to keep the business afloat, or if as well as gaining a understanding of the core financial aspects of running a business. So this is again one of the most popular courses for students going to UK from India. So Indians are generally considered good with numbers, and this is one of the course which attracts them a lot. Some of the universities again which offer this course and is open in January 2022 is again Aston Business School, as well as University of Exeter. So you can also consider University of Glasgow for doing your masters in business finance. So those are the few universities which are good ranked universities, can offer you a program in accounting and finance in January 2022. Moving from here, undergraduate law is one of the most popular courses in UK. So almost all UK law courses allow students the option of taking an year's professional placement at a firm. While overseas studies is also available, student can choose to combine law with another subject such as business, politics, or journalism while kind of doing this program. So this is like I said, one of the most popular exams. Students choose to kind of combine both the bachelor studies and the master studies while they are pursuing law from UK universities. Few of the universities which are highly known for their law programs are Queen Mary University of London and University of Glasgow. So you can consider these two universities if you want to study law in UK in January 2022. Apart from this, computer science is one of the next programs or next field of study that students wants to opt for while they pursue their education. So a UK computer science degree will not just provide you with the core skills that are needed to shape businesses and organization, but you also learn about new tools, program development kits, and will make you a better overall person poised to kind of take up technology and product roles in the leading organizations. So you can kind of specialize in the field of IT, games development, web development, software engineering, web designing. So these are a few of the fields that you can kind of choose to go to once you complete your education in computer science in one of the UK universities. Some of the universities which are known for their computer science programs and engineering programs is Aston, University of Aston and University of Strathclyde. So both of these universities have really good computer science programs, and you can kind of really explore them if you are interested in studying computer science in January 2022. Uh, Coming to a more niche course, a course in sports and exercise science is something that students consider while moving to UK. It's another niche course, and if I just talk about Indian students, there's hardly any good university or a program which offers them a course in sports management or exercise science if they really want to build their career in this field. So UK is well known for its kind of being a sports enthusiast country. So there are a lot of options in terms of jobs, in terms of kind of taking this up as a professional, where you'll have a lot of job opportunities, placement opportunities once you complete your degree in sports management or exercise science. So there is a lot of so not just the popular ones, cricket and football. There is a lot of kind of opportunities in a lot of niche sports as well. So someone who's really passionate about sports, someone who's really passionate about exercise science can take up and can consider UK as one of the destinations to study this course. Some of the universities again, which are open for uh, uh, going for sports and exercise science, is Coventry University. Both the campuses, Coventry and London campus, would offer this course, and they are available in January 2022. Moving on, one of the again a niche course that students are that are attracting a lot of students' attention are design studies. So it's one of the most popular course that is coming up in the niche areas. So it just focus on design for everyday objects, taking into account technology, commerce, as well as appearance, current art thinking. So there, it has a lot of branches as well. So design has a lot of aspects where if you kind of opt for design courses, you can kind of take up a branch which is a niche and build a career around industrial design, animation, computer games, and you can further go into kind of build a career in web designing. So it has a lot of branches: fashion designing, interior designing. So a lot of UK universities do offer a lot of good design programs. Yeah, irrespective of whether you want to opt for interior or fashion designing, irrespective, or you want to opt for, let's say, industrial design or web design or graphic designing aspect of it. So there are a lot of jobs, especially the new age ones, which need and who need people to be well versed with the designing aspect of the things. So and a lot of more jobs are expected to come in another 2 to 5 years, which will focus on kind of hiring design graduates in all of these niche branches. So some of the universities which have good design courses are University of Strathclyde and University of Glasgow. Both of them are open for January 2022. And you can very well kind of start your application, initiate your application right away to be kind of uh, uh, to be able to go and join the spring intake with one of these universities. So these are few courses which are the most popular ones in UK right now, which are the most trending ones. And like I said, the ones which are trending ones are not only because they are in demand and a lot of from the job perspective, uh, that there are a lot of jobs available. It's on the UK shortage occupation list, or a lot of companies have started hiring for these positions, but also because a lot of UK universities are relooking at most of their curriculums, redeveloping it, making it as close as possible to the industry so that it gets easier to kind of bridge that gap between academia and industry for all these courses. UK has a very big spring intake as well. And if you are interested in going to UK in January and study any of these courses, you can very well explore the universities I mentioned, or there are a lot more indeed. So you can very well get in touch with one of your counselors and start your process. So that's it from me today. See you tomorrow again with another session. Hopefully, this session will help you to figure out what you should do next from the perspective of what is high in demand, where there are placements, where there are a lot of companies they hire from, and will be able to kind of help you make a better decision around your career. That's it from me. Signing off. Have a very good evening. Bye bye.